Welcome back to my channel. How does a potted lemon tree bear so much fruit? How do we ensure that it blooms profusely to produce so much fruit? What about tomatoes and cucumbers? If you grow them not only in the garden but also in pots, how do we get them to bloom? Which is necessary to ensure abundant fruiting in the same way. And the more flowers, the more fruit. Thanks to this natural fertilizer, which I will explain and which we will obtain with the products you throw away, which are easy to prepare and cheap, you can make not only vegetables, but all your plants you want to bloom, including orchids and other flowers. How to prepare this phosphorus fertilizer, which is easily applied even in soilless agriculture. Let's watch together. First, peel the cucumbers from the skins you threw away. Remember, all flowering plants need phosphorus to make the most of sunlight. To obtain this phosphorus, place the cucumber peels in a container filled with water. Leave the peels in this container for at least 5 days. After 5 days, when the water turns slightly green, the phosphorus fertilizer is ready to use. Let's apply it to our colon flower. Make the phosphorus fertilizer, which is most needed by our flower, trying to grow its flowers like normal watering so that it reaches the roots. Apply this process to all plants every 15 days. This natural fertilizer contains 11% phosphorus and 27% potassium. This mixture is the perfect solution instead of chemical fertilizers used to get abundant crops. Share this video so everyone can see it and comment below. At least write feedback like a simple thank you or a suggestion. Please don't forget to click like if you liked the video, subscribe and activate the bell to support my channel if you are new to my channel. See you in my next videos.